ใครบอกฟิลิปปินส์ใครบอก Thailand cannot move on
จิ้นแม่จิ้นเขาคู่จิ้นกัน
I will release a song cannot move on
เออ
cannot move on
แม่จะปล่อยเพลงแล้วนะ Cannot Move On
แล้วเดี๋ยวแม่จะปล่อยงานหนึ่ง
เลิศ
ยังไม่ได้เดี๋ยวแม่ตรงนี้ก็ยังแม่ปล่อยยาน้ำแก้เลยแคนว่าทูอ่อนหรือว่าเอานี้ละกันยาน้ำให้เอายาแบบยาแก้มุกอ่อนละกันป่ะ
ยาแก้ Move On
เธอจะได้บอกว่าหมูโล่งๆแล้วเดินหน้ากันสักที
เลิศ
การแข่งขันที่การแข่งขันมันอยู่ที่กรรมการ มันไม่ใช่ว่าอยู่ที่เราซื้อมาแล้วโกงไม่ใครนะคะ มันต้องเคารพ
May photoshoot ata dito yung queen nating si Michelle. And the way siya hatake ng owner ng Miss Universe and talk about yung resulta ng competition, saying na Philippines cannot move on, just shows na walang ka-class-class at breeding itong si Anne, Jacapong, Jacru, Tatip. Para sa akin, this shows a very disrespecting and unethical manner coming from the Miss Universe owner. Because, you know, Miss Anne, if you were professional, i-address mo itong issue ng maayos by giving a proper statement to the public and to the Filipino people about their concerns. Hindi yung ganyan na basta-basta ka nalang manghahatak, tas puro, cannot move on, lang ang maiintindihan namin sa'yo. Big thanks to Thilingual PH sa pagta-translate nito. Kakabuisit, no? Kakabuisit pala yung mga pinagsasasabi nitong bruha na to. Parang ikaw dapat ang lumaklak dyan sa cough syrup medicine na i-release mo kasi mas mukhang kailangan mo yan. Grabe. Matindi yung ubo mo sa utak. Talaga naman noon, nakakairita. And if I were Michelle D also, magiging uncomfortable din ako sa situation na to. Biro mo naman, photoshoot ka lang dapat, tapos wala kang choice kundi mag-join at makinig sa shitty comments na di mo maintindihan aside sa cannot move on. Itong si Miss Anne Lala. But I really admire our queen here for being, you know, still composed in spite sa ginawang katsipan nitong si Miss Universe owner na to. And, oh yes, hindi kami maka-move on kasi naman, yung resulta ng competition is unacceptable. Care to explain nga? Sige nga. Nakaka-bad trip eh. Alam niyo, kung ganyan lang pala ang labanan na may lutuan, huwag na tayong sumali. Sayang lahat ng training, efforts, at dedication ng ating mga kandidata. Huwag na lang. Boycott natin. Huwag na tayo magpadala ng kandidata. Well, kung ako lang ha, huwag na. No, thank you. Pangit na ng Miss Universe ngayon. Kung sino-sino na lang ang pwedeng sumali. Wala na yung dati. Yung standards. Wala na.